Good morning, class. As yesterday we have ended with the explanation of chapter 5, that is Amachi's Brilliant Traps, and I hope the chapter is now clear to all of you. Now, today we are going to start with exercise B, that is read the sentences from the story and answer these questions. We have been given one line from the we have been given two questions like this. We have been given a line from the story only, which we have read. We have been given, you have to read that line, and after reading that line, in that we have been given three questions. You have to answer those three questions. I hope you all remember this story, and after reading this line you will remember the answer also. So for that, take out your English literature notebook, open to a fresh page in your English literature notebook, and let us begin with the writing of read the sentences, that is reference to context in our notebooks. So open your English literature notebooks. Now, as I've told you that today we are going to start with reference to context, that is read the sentences from the story and answer the question. In this, we have been given a single line from the paragraphs which we have read in the chapter. You have to answer the questions related to that. Now, first of all, open your English literature notebook to a fresh page and put today's date, classwork, chapter 5, Amachi's Brilliant Traps. B. Read the sentences from the story and answer the questions. First of all, again put the heading, read the sentences from the story and answer the questions. This is exercise B. In that, first one is, Noah hid some in the kitchen for emergencies. I hope you all remember this line have been said by Amachi, who was the grandmother to Suraj, because she have hidden some of the appams in the kitchen for emergencies, because all the appams have been stolen and Amachi was laying traps to catch the thief. So this line have been said by Amachi. So first question is, who said this and to whom? This is asking who have said these lines and to whom. Amachi said this to Suraj. Answer is, Amachi said this to Suraj. Amachi is the grandmother over here, and he said these lines to Suraj. Now let us move to second one. After writing the A1, form a small line at the end which will show that you have written the first question. Let us move to second one. Second one is, what did the speaker hide? In this, who is the speaker? Grandmother is the Grandmother is the speaker of this line. And what have she hidden? This is asking that what did the speaker hide? Answer is, the speaker hid the amapams. Speaker is the grandmother. So the grandmother hid the amapams from the thief who was stealing them. Now, after writing this question B, form a small line at the end and move to question C. Question C is, what did the speaker hide them? Why did the speaker hide them? This question is asking that why did grandmother hide the amapams? Why did she hide it? Answer is, Amachi hid them because they were disappearing. Amachi hid the amapams because they were being stolen. Some of the amapams, and there were only 3 left in the kitchen for emergencies. But Amachi was laying the traps to catch the thief, but she was also unable to do that also, because the basket kept empty, and as the Suraj was the only thief, of the Anapams. So he came to know that 3 were still left in the oven, and Amachi have left 3 more in the oven for emergency. So Amachi hid them because they were all disappearing. Now, as he complete with the answers, with the 3 answer of first one, now let us move to second one. After completing the first one, form a line at the end and move to second one. In the second line, there were also 3 questions being asked. Second one is, you are such a good cook. This line is being said, you are such a good cook, when Suraj said these lines to Amachi. When we want something, we apply a butter to someone for getting that. That is the same way Suraj was doing to Amachi. You are such a good cook. Suraj said this to Amachi when she came to know that Suraj was the only thief of Anapams. That Suraj was stealing the Anapams, because the last line which Suraj said that there were 3 Anapams in the oven left. So only Amachi and Suraj were knowing that, and she got to know, after listening to this, she got to know that Suraj was the only thief. So the first question is, who said this and to whom? Who said these lines and to whom? So the answer is, Suraj said this to Amachi. Suraj said these lines to Amachi. B1 is, why did the speaker say so? Why is the speaker saying so? Speaker over here is the Suraj. So this question is asking, why did Suraj say so? Answer is, Suraj said so because Amachi's Anapam were too delicious. Suraj said it because Amachi's Anapams were too much delicious in eating. So he had stolen them all and he had eaten them alone. Question C is, what happened after this? When Amachi came to know that Suraj was only stealing the Anapams, after that, what did Amachi do? When Amachi came to know that Suraj was stealing the Anapams and he was the only thief of that, after that, whether she scolded Suraj or whether they both have eaten, you have to write the answer like this. Answer is, Suraj and Amachi shared the remaining Anapams. Suraj and Amachi shared the remaining 2 Anapams which were only left in the kitchen. They both shared the Anapams and have eaten together. Now, after writing each and every answer of this, read the sentences from the story, form a line at the end, and you have to write this in your notebook. So write it very neatly in your notebooks. Homework for you all is you have to learn the hard words of chapter 5, that is Amachi's Brilliant Traps. Thank you.